Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to activate ESPN Plus on your TV with an easy step-by-step guide. Whether you're using a smart TV streaming device or a gaming console, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Subscribe to ESPN Plus. Before you can activate ESPN Plus, you need to have a subscription. If you haven't already, go to the ESPN website espnplus.com and sign up. You'll need to provide your payment information to complete the subscription. Step 2. Install the ESPN app. Once you've subscribed, you'll need to install the ESPN app on your TV. If you're using a smart TV, go to your TV's App Store like the Samsung App Store, Google Play Store, or Apple App Store, and search for ESPN. Download and install the ESPN app on your device. If you're using a streaming device like Roku, Amazon Fire TV, or Apple TV, search for ESPN in the respective device's App Store and install it. Step 3. Open the ESPN app. Once the app is installed, open it on your TV. You will be prompted to log in to your ESPN account. Select Login to proceed. Step 4. Get the activation code. After selecting Login, you will be shown an activation code on your TV screen. This code is needed to activate ESPN Plus on your TV. Step 5. Go to espn.com/activate now, grab your smartphone, tablet, or computer, and open your web browser. Go to espn.com/activate. You will be asked to enter the activation code that appeared on your TV screen. Step 6. Log into your ESPN account. After entering the activation code, you'll be prompted to log in with your ESPN account credentials. Enter your username and password, and click Submit. Step 7. Complete the activation. Once you've logged in, your TV screen will refresh, and ESPN Plus will be activated on your device. You should now have full access to all the ESPN Plus content right from your TV. Step 8. Enjoy ESPN Plus content. That's it. You've successfully activated ESPN Plus on your TV. You can now enjoy all your favorite sports, live events, original shows, and much more. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.